Hi everyone, this is Amrita and welcome to my channel Amrita Henna. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to never miss any update from me. First of all, thank you so much for all your requests for posting a bridal mehndi design. So here's presenting a full detailed, intricate, traditional bridal henna or mehndi design for you. Before we begin, just a gentle reminder to all my subscribers that are beginners. The link to my mehndi paste and cone making recipe is available in the description box. You can watch that after you finish watching this video. Also, if I can request you to please stay till the end of the video for more interesting video suggestions from my channel. Both intricate and spaced out designs can qualify for a bridal henna design, but traditionally, bridal henna designs are done in a more detailed manner. If you observe, you'll find a lot of grid designs or netting patterns in my videos because personally I'm a huge fan of grid designs. I like how they fill up space and I love how they show in pictures. Also, if I skip through a part or I speed through a part, that's probably because it's a repeat pattern. One of the most common misconceptions that I've come across is that if you do thin work, it won't really show. So you have to do thick lines or thick patterns. But I have to say I don't completely agree with it because the stain or the color of the mehndi depends on the products that you're using and also the aftercare. So if you're using 100% natural, best quality products and you're following all the aftercare instructions, you will definitely get a good color. So if you ask me, the real beauty lies in the details, and it's true with any art form. So a good trick or a good idea is to combine the thin and the thick elements together. If you are new to henna, this kind of detailing can be very overwhelming for you. So I would suggest start practicing with the smaller elements, the basic elements. Pick one element and practice it over and over again until you get it right. I believe it's true with any kind of art. It requires patience, determination, and a lot of practice. Start with the right size and shape of cone and also the correct consistency of the mehndi paste. According to me, the right consistency is when the paste is runny enough so you can draw easily with it without hurting your hands, especially the thumb. But it shouldn't be too loose or the lines and the dots will spread and the whole thing can become a mush. Coming back to the layout of the bridal henna design, some artists prefer doing the same layout on both hands or the same design on both hands like mirror images. But I personally like doing different designs on both hands because I feel that gives me more creative freedom and I can do more elements, more designs and express my creativity. A good practice is to separate blocks of designs by borders. That way the design really pops when you take pictures And the border I just did is one of the most basic borders, and I really like doing it. Another thing, if you notice, is that I haven't used any pro level or advanced level bridal henna elements in this design. I haven't done any figures and figurines like bride and groom faces, elephants, swans, peacocks, skylines. To be honest, I haven't even used paisleys in this design. It's just a collection of basic elements like filling designs, different types of grids, flowers, semicircular elements, and a little bit of reverse filling if you are good at it. So all in all, this is the best example of the fact that you don't necessarily have to learn all the fancy bridal henna elements to create a beautiful bridal henna design. Even the simple things or the basic elements can create a beautiful and intricate bridal henna design that's really pretty to look at. And once you're more confident about your craft, that's when you can amp it up. That's another grid design. A little bit tricky, but nothing that some practice can't help with. We'll follow it with another simple filling. Thank you for staying with me. I hope you're enjoying this video so far. Just a gentle reminder that if you want to follow me on Instagram, my Insta handle is amritahenna. It's the same name as my YouTube channel. And if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button and also press the bell icon to always stay in the know of all my uploads. If you are an aspiring mehndi or henna artist, my honest suggestion to you would be try to develop your own signature style. Take inspiration and practice your craft, but try to come up with ideas that are your own. Now, the next design that I'm going to do is the third grid design so far, and it's one of my absolute favorites. Stay tuned because we have two more gorgeous netting patterns yet to come and beautiful lotuses in reverse filling. Just a quick update, if you are interested in buying 100% natural henna products from us, all the details are available in the description. After you finish watching this video, jump over to the description and you'll find everything down there. Coming to the palm, which is more than likely going to be the center of attraction of the whole design, my tip is don't overdo it, keep it simple and classy. Don't forget to separate designs by borders. And now to my most favorite part of this whole design, this delicate, gorgeous, beautiful grid design that I love. Why don't I give you a moment to sit back, relax, and enjoy it? Isn't it beautiful? After you finish watching this video, out of all, let me know in comments which grid design you loved the most. Heading over to the last section, the fingers. You can do the same design on all the fingers if you like, or I always prefer doing different designs. I prefer doing grids, I prefer doing small filling elements, I prefer doing these dots on the fingers, so however you like it. Also, I have posted over 200 traditional bridal mehndi design videos on my channel. If you want to sit and browse through my channel, you can do that yourself. If not, I have created playlists for you and you will find a traditional bridal mehndi design playlist. To make it even easier, I have posted that link in the description below. So after you finish watching this, you can watch my other traditional bridal mehndi design videos. I can't thank you all enough for the love and support that I always receive from all of you on my videos. But as I always say, if you enjoyed it, please like and comment. And also, please share this video as much as you can with your friends and family on your social media, and that will really help me spread the word. So hit that subscribe button and also press the bell icon and keep watching Amrita Henna for your favorite Mehndi videos. Take care and I'll see you soon.